How to add Linktree to Instagram. Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to cover: how to add Linktree to your Instagram profile. If you're looking to enhance your link sharing game and make the most out of your bio space, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned as we guide you through the step-by-step process. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, grab your smartphone and open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add your Linktree. Once you're in, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. Now, here comes the game changer, Linktree. Head over to your browser and type in Linktree. This is where you'll create your Linktree account. Once the page loads, hit the Get Started for Free button. You'll be prompted to sign up with your email or simply use your existing Instagram account. Quick and easy. Alright, now it's time to make your Linktree pop. You can customize the look and feel of your Linktree to match your Instagram vibe. Upload a profile picture, choose a snazzy background, and don't forget to add a catchy title that lets your audience know what you're all about. Now comes the magic moment, adding your links. Tap on the Add New Button/Link option to start sharing your content. Give your button a name. This could be latest blog, shop now, YouTube channel, you name it. Then, paste in the URL of the webpage you want to share. Repeat this step for all the links you want to include. Remember, Linktree is all about making it easy for your followers to access your content. All right, you're almost there. Now, head back to your Instagram profile by tapping the profile picture at the bottom right. Hit that Edit Profile button, and in the Website section, paste the URL of your newly created Linktree. Don't forget to save your changes, and just like that, your Instagram bio has undergone a fantastic transformation. Now, when your followers visit your profile, they'll have easy access to all your important links. It's that simple. Folks, by using Linktree, you've unlocked a powerful tool to share multiple links without the hassle. Whether it's your blog, your online store, or your social media profiles, everything is just a tap away. Thank you so much for joining us today and learning how to add Linktree to your Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Until next time, stay connected and keep sharing those amazing links. See you in the next video.